Apps that will change your life part 1. Once you use Perplexity, you will never look at Google the same. With over 30,000 reviews and a 4.9 star rating, this app has been dominating the App Store, and I'm about to show you why. Whenever I have a question about literally anything, whether that's looking for events, researching something for work, or simply looking for a quick answer like in this example, I'll throw it to Perplexity. In this case, it's smart enough to ask a clarifying question so I can be confident in the answer it finds. Then it will go out, perform multiple web searches, read a ton of websites, and summarize all that information for me in a concise, easy to understand way. It will provide images and videos, and the best part is, for every point it makes, it cites its sources. As you can see by these numbered dots, this means we can easily verify the information and search deeper when needed, all straight from the app. You can ask it as many follow-up questions as you want, and you can save these conversations, or threads as they call it, in a collection. I'll add this thread to my gift ideas collection so I can reference it later. And the best part is, everything I just showed you can be done on the free version. If you give it a shot, let me know what you think.